Imagine designing and manufacturing intelligent equipment and products so that everything can be recycled or reused. Or building autonomous and self-directing factories and supply chains that respond faster to disruptions and opportunities using data-driven artificial intelligence and edge computing. Or digital twins and industrial metaverses that allow seamless collaboration across your ecosystem to deliver customer value. Because delivering outcomes like this would help you deliver solutions that help you and your customers reduce environmental impact and waste and improve flexibility and operational efficiency. At SAP, our decades of experience in the industrial manufacturing industry helps you innovate faster, collaborate more effectively with your ecosystem, improve manufacturing productivity and quality, reduce waste and emissions, while customizing solutions and products for each customer. SAP Business Suite acts as a catalyst for your business, connecting your mission-critical apps to your real-time data with built-in AI to help everything work smarter and better together. It gives you the tools to develop smarter, more circular industrial solutions, as well as simplify, automate, and scale your manufacturing, supply chain, and business operations. You can take your customer experience to the next level by making it easier to personalize products and services. It's what's next in the world of industrial manufacturing. See how SAP can help your industrial manufacturing business be profitable today and innovate for a more sustainable future.